If you're seeing a Grammarly error launching installer, don't worry. In most cases, this is a simple fix and you can get Grammarly installed in just a few minutes. These installer issues are usually caused by antivirus software blocking the setup, a corrupted download, or a missing Windows component like WebView 2. In this video, I'll walk you through the safest and most effective steps to fix it, so make sure to follow along from start to finish. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes and software guides. First, let's start with the easiest fix. Run the installer as an administrator. On Windows, right-click the Grammarly.exe installer file and choose Run as Administrator. On Mac, if you're using a .dmg file, open it normally and make sure you allow any security prompts that appear. Running the installer with elevated permissions helps it make the system changes it needs without getting blocked by limited access. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing to check is your security software. Antivirus programs and firewalls can sometimes flag installers like Grammarly as suspicious even when they're safe. Try temporarily turning off real-time protection, then run the installer again. If it installs successfully, you can immediately turn your antivirus or firewall back on afterward. Just remember, this step should only be temporary and only while you're installing Grammarly. Now, if the error still appears, the installer file itself may be corrupted. This happens more often than people think, especially if the download was interrupted or incomplete. The best solution is to delete the current installer and download a completely fresh copy directly from the official Grammarly desktop app page. Avoid using old files or random third-party download links because a clean download can often fix the problem right away. For Windows users, there's one more very important step to try. Install Microsoft WebView 2. Grammarly for Windows depends on WebView 2 to run properly, and if it's missing, the installer may fail or refuse to launch. You can download the WebView 2 runtime manually from Microsoft's official WebView 2 installer page, install it, and then try Grammarly again. This is one of the most common fixes for Windows installation issues. Another useful fix is clearing your temporary files. Leftover temp data can interfere with new installs and cause setup errors that seem unrelated. To do this on Windows, press Windows key +R, type %temp% and press Enter. A folder full of temporary files will open. Select all the files in that folder and delete them. If some files refuse to delete because they're in use, just skip those and continue. After clearing the temp folder, restart your computer and try the Grammarly installer again. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the problem. If the installer still won't launch, restart your computer one more time, make sure all security software is updated, and try the fresh download again. In most cases, the combination of administrator permissions, a clean installer file, and WebView 2 will get Grammarly working without any major troubleshooting. So to recap, run the installer as administrator, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall protection, download a fresh copy from Grammarly's official site, install WebView 2 on Windows, and clear your temp files before trying again. These steps fix the majority of Grammarly installer launch errors safely and quickly. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more software troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another installation error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.